Mr. Bhavesh Mehta. He is National Sales Head at Omron Automation India. He has more than 25 years of experience and across varied fields like project sales, marketing, business, channel, and management. In the industrial automation domain, prior to joining Omron, he had been associated with industry stalwarts like Schneider Electric, Tyco, GE, Yokogawa, and Larsen and Toubro. Mr. Bhavesh will deliberate upon manufacturing in India, transition to smart factories via creating harmony between people and machines. So, delegates, let's welcome Mr. Bhavesh.
So, thank you for giving us this opportunity to present Omron and our ideas about manufacturing in India and transition into the smart factories. So, basically, the theme which I would like to propose is it is supposed to be a harmony between the humans and the machines. It is, be it robotics or anything, it is not replacing human intelligence or the human aspect out of the industries or factories when we say it's a smart factory. And when we say smart factory, the synonym word is digitization, right? So, there is no clear definition, and I think the onus is lying on the vendors or the OEMs like us to define. Otherwise, what happens is, if it is the misconstrued concept of a digitization, for example, it's a present situation of a very simple factory or the line automation, and there is an expectation set of a Formula One car steering, right? So ultimately, what happens if there is no clarity? Definitely, there is to be a misconception, and the desired results will not be achieved by the end users. So it's kind of a mishap, and it is something to do with the expertise or the skill development, the infrastructure, which is an investment mindset for digitization. Safety, of course. So, for example, cyber security or the safety light curtains or whatever safety we can think of, and also a competitiveness, because ultimately everything results into your product cost, and then you also need to be competitive in the market. So, when it is a smart factory, I think everything boils down to how effectively we convey the concept and make them understand through a consulting basis. That's where the contents from us would be on the eye automation. It would be showing you some value proposition, our product portfolio or the solution spectrum, and the consultative services that we offer for digitization. So ultimately, when we say smart factory or digitization, it is something to do with the economic boost. It has to be environmental friendly, and at the same time, it should be an enabler for the society. So Omron, all the products or solutions have been weaved around this thought process. When I say eye automation, the I stands, of course, for the integrated, the interactive, and the intelligent piece of it. So not going into the reading of this busy slide, but generally, when you want to achieve operational excellence through sustainable manufacturing, and of course with the highest degree of products or the end results, definitely eye automation is the answer from Omron, and it goes from sensor to boardroom. As I go along, I'll share with you. So basically, Omron has been promoting and consulting with this eye automation, which is integrated, interactive, and intelligent platform for automation. The end in mind for any end user who is adopting automation is nothing but production efficiency has to be increased, product quality has to be improved, and definitely the safety has to be enhanced. So, with this end in mind, eye automation and the entire piece is designed. And if I have to share the value proposition of eye automation, it is flexibility. So as we, my previous speaker was discussing about the collaborative fixed and mobile robots. So of course, Omron is into this as a leading player. Safety. We also, the value proposition is to do with the highest quality and highest, kind of a speed and resolution when it comes to the inspection and traceability. The entire connectivity, so it should be a wider and spreader, vertical and horizontal approach for the integration. It is not only with Omron, but also with some of the non-Omron products and control systems. So we give all kinds of universal protocol converters and connectivities. And last but not the least, of course, with the securities. So the entire value proposition is encompassing the smart factory concept. The offering per se, if I have to, put into a single slide, we have a concept called as ILORS, right? So I stands for input. The logic part of it stands with L. O means output. So all the output devices and robotics and safety. So as you can see, the entire range of products or solution spectrum is produced on this slide, and we have this collaborative approach and consulting approach that encircles all the customer needs, putting customer into the the center of the circle, and then we build around the solution. So with ILORS, this is the spectrum of the solution that is adopted or implemented for the smart factory or factory automation. However, what is more important, for example, every customer looking for traceability, motion controls, safety, vision, robotics, and IoT engineering. So, generally, this has been a supply chain, and the supply chain goes generally horizontally, right? So, with the iBelt services or consulting approach, what we are kind of putting across to the customer is not only the supply chain, but also through the development lead time. There has to be an involvement, and where the area that involves manufacturing department when the product is made. So through the planning and development stage, if it starts, I think it gives the best of the advantage, or the best of two worlds. So it is not only the supply chain that is automated, but all through the process of conceptualization to commissioning gets through with this iBelt services, and that's where we move to a deeply improving the problems of a automation line. Now, if I have to say, let us say bird's eye view point of view. So when you say 1 meter or a sensor area of the factory, but ultimately the goal is to reach between the among companies or among industries. So that's where again the iBelt consultative services plays a very vital role. So let us say it adopts the IoT, the AI technology, and the robotics. However, it is still at the manufacturing site. With iBelt consulting services and Omron offerings, we go from sensor to boardroom, and this is what is depicted out here. So it is the the devices, the control in the data, the infrastructure of the platform, right up to the application. So it is a decision-making system. So only automating your factory or the machines or the lines wouldn't help in today's world. It has to be the entire embedded system, or the ecosystem that we call, has to be automated right from the smallest of the sensor to the decision makers. To simplify it further, I'll just show you a typical assembly line where you have, let us say, grading and filling, weighing, sealing systems, you have labeling, and you have final products coming out. So there could be various issues or problems. Let us say product deformation in the transportation, the tray is not filled correctly or completely, leakages in the seal. So there are small nitty-gritties, and when we say it is, let us say, material handling by cobots or vision system that helps you for the trays kind of a problem, perfect sealing solutions for the leakage arresting, and then traceability solutions. So then entire range of solutions that is offered. Now, if we through the consulting services, what we are trying to do is to have a trigger earlier than the failure. So as you can see here, there is an error line, which is a fault line getting generated in otherwise cases, which if we do a little bit of a delta time wherein the failures can be avoided or minimized, I think it helps great way in terms of total cost of ownership, which is much reduced for the customer, or the fastest return on investment. So when we say digitization or smart factory, the commercial value also has to get embedded, because it is that infrastructure mindset that has to be taken up from the customer, and that's where our consulting approach helps a lot. So other than the solutions and the offers that we have, the iBelt services is a consulting approach which is a unique of Omron. And as we have seen in the first slide, it was just touching upon the human and the robots, but we want a more collaborative, a more cohesive approach when it comes to factory automation or a smart factory. So thank you so much.